Price charts. While trading Forex, you will get information from three main types of charts. In order to identify which currency pairs are a smart buy and which ones you should sell or steer away from, you need to study these charts. Line charts. These charts can be very helpful if you are wanting a brief look at the market trends. They also give you a quick overview of support and resistance levels. We will discuss support and resistance and why these levels are important in a few minutes. Line charts don't specify each price point, so they are not intended to help with trading. These charts show a continuous line for the price between two different points in time. A line chart can be evaluated from hour to hour or over longer periods. Bar charts. If you are wanting to see a price bar for a set period of time, bar charts will help you do that. These charts show the open, high, low, close for each bar period. There are different bar charts to choose from, such as a monthly bar chart, which shows the price for each month. You can also select a different view to see the price for the year, the month, or the day. You can even select timescales within the day like 15-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute, 4-hourly. These charts are the popular with traders because of the more detailed price information. Candlestick charts. Candlestick charts show the same information as bar charts. They also show the open, high, low, close bar charts, but they just look better. Also known as the wicks on various charts, the top line is called the upper shadow and the bottom line is called the lower shadow. How the opening and closing prices are portrayed is the predominant difference between candlestick charts and bar charts. The body of the candle represents the price range between opening and closing. If the body is black or any other dark color, the price closed lower than it was when it opened. If it is a lighter colored or unfilled, then the price closed higher than when it opened. The different colors make it easier for traders to see the highs and lows of a currency more rapidly than those of other chart types. This explains why candlestick charts are the most used when it comes to Forex trading.